Meaning of federally.
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 Federally. Federally refers to something that is related to a federation, which is a political entity composed of multiple smaller units that have come together to form a larger governing body. In the context of the United States, federally often refers to actions or policies undertaken by the federal government, as opposed to state or local governments. This can include things like federal laws, regulations, programs, and funding. Generally speaking, when something is done federally, it means that the action or policy is being implemented at the national level, with authority and resources coming from the federal government.